Have you heard about Rosetta's comet? No? Then here it is. Famed comet Churyumov-Gerasimenko, 67P, sweeps past background stars in the constellation Taurus and even fainter distant galaxies in this telescopic frame from September 7th. About 5 years ago, this comet's 4-kilometer spanning, double-lobed nucleus became the final resting place of robots from planet Earth, following the completion of the historic Rosetta mission to the comet. After wandering out beyond the orbit of Jupiter, Churyumov-Gerasimenko is now returning along its 6.4-year periodic orbit toward its next perihelion or closest approach to the Sun, on November 2nd. On November 12th, the comet's perigee, its closest approach to Earth, will bring it within about 0.42 astronomical units. Telescopes should still be required to view it even at its brightest, predicted to be in late November and December. On September 7th, Rosetta's comet was about 0.65 astronomical units away, or about 5.4 light minutes from our fair planet.
For daily video updates, subscribe to Only Facts.